Hey everyone, it's Dev again. Today I have a short story to share. It's about the difference between data science and machine learning. I used to think data science was all about machine learning models like regression, advanced statistics, and more, but it isn't, not even at FAANG. This past summer I completed my second internship at Amazon, but I was met with a surprise this time. Based on business needs for the team, I was sent headfirst into a data science project instead of the software project I was expecting. Fortunately, I already had a strong understanding of ML from the master's program at Georgia Tech, as well as other research projects I had worked on. I was excited about the possibility of using neural networks like LLMs and all the deep learning models I had experience with. Earlier this year, I even built a free ML practice platform in collaboration with my colleague Navdeep, the founder of Necode. I definitely felt confident about machine learning given my extensive experience with teaching it. Spoiler alert, I did not get to apply neural networks or LLMs for this project. Here's 3 quick lessons I learned about the reality of data science. First, real-world data is so damn noisy. I was not prepared for how noisy the data would be. I've learned that denoising data is a critical step that can't be skipped, or your final results can be destroyed. Second, getting the data I needed was 90% of the difficulty. In most data science positions, you won't be building any models from scratch. Instead, the most time-consuming step was preparing the input data to later feed into an already implemented model. I was working with data from a wide range of sources and geographic regions, so obtaining all the data in a structured format was definitely a challenge. Lastly, I had to settle for imperfect confidence in the results. I was working on predicting the health of devices on the AWS network, but there's a million things that can affect this. It wasn't practical to account for every input variable like CPU temperature, which forced me to acknowledge uncertainty. Ultimately, understanding the data was essential to succeeding at this project. Leave a comment if you've had a similar experience with data science. But despite all of this, mastering ML fundamentals is still critical. The concepts are commonly tested in interviews, and building a strong foundation will pay off as you build larger projects. If you're still watching this video, you might be interested in the Beginner's Blueprint, a step-by-step plan I've created covering ML fundamentals. I've helped countless students master the key concepts and build projects for their resume. Like Shekhar from the NYU class of 2024. He's an NLP enthusiast, and his personal favorite resource is the ML programming platform I mentioned earlier. Or Amit from the IIT Madras class of 2025. I personally provided him with a roadmap to help him get started with the implementation ASAP. Or Chang, an ex-Yahoo ML engineer. He's especially enjoyed my technical breakdowns of research papers. If you're looking for a step-by-step guide to mastering ML fundamentals, the Beginner's Blueprint is for you. Head to the link in the description to take advantage of the launch sale, and I'll see you on the other side.